Hello, friends, and welcome back to His Garden, Our Table. If you've ever wondered how to get more sweet potato plants from just one sweet potato, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how I harvest sweet potato slips, what happens when you don't harvest them, and why removing slips actually helps you grow more sweet potato plants. If you're a beginner gardener, don't worry. This process is simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. Here is my sweet potato plant that has been growing slips. A sweet potato slip is simply a vine shoot that grows from the sweet potato itself. Each one of these slips can become an entirely new sweet potato plant. One sweet potato can produce several slips, which means one potato can turn into many future harvests. Now, if we leave all of these slips attached to the one potato, they continue competing for the same energy and nutrients. The potato's trying to support every slip at once. While they'll continue growing, harvesting them encourages the potato to produce even more slips and gives us additional plants for the garden. When harvesting, I look for slips that are about 5 to 8 inches long and have several leaves. If you use shears to cut your slips, then you will put them in the jar so that they can grow roots. But if you decide to pull out the actual slips like I'm doing in the video, the roots will already be attached. You can do it either way. Either way works just as fine. So some of the slips stayed with the roots and I just put it in a jar with water. So within a few days, if your potato slip doesn't have any roots, within a few days to a couple of weeks, the roots will begin to form in your jar of water. And once the roots are established, it's ready to go ahead and be planted in the garden. And just like that, one sweet potato has given me several new plants. This is one of the reasons sweet potatoes are such a rewarding crop for home gardeners. They just keep giving. Watching these slips grow always reminds me that God often multiplies what seems small. One sweet potato becomes many, many plants. One seed of faith can grow into something much larger than we ever imagined. Galatians 6:9 reminds us, let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. And in gardening and in life, growth takes patience. I hope this demonstration helps you feel more confident about growing sweet potatoes. If you're gardening in Zone 8B, like I am, be sure to subscribe because I'll be sharing more beginner friendly gardening tips, faith filled encouragement, and updates from my garden. And if you'd like extra help planning your garden, check out my Gardening with Purpose and Rooted in Faith bundle. I'll leave the link below. Thank you for spending time with me today. Until next time, keep growing in faith and in the garden.